I really think that's just above my pay grade.
Jesus, I'm not touching her rash. I'm gonna get a rash. You're gonna get a rash. We're all gonna get rashes. It's disgusting. Oh. What are you doing here?
Doc, I have this pain in my chest that's,
Oh, patient. Patient, right, okay, I can be a patient. Cool.
Doc, are you alright?
Chest pains. Yes. All right. Well, Mr. Samson? Mr. Samson? We have good news for you today.
Well, that's a relief.
We've treated many people with this condition. Yeah, no, it's too bad it's fatal.
What?!
It's probably fatal.
How does that fall under good news?
Well, I guess it's really more of a bad news, probably.
Well, what's wrong with me? Maybe there's a new cure. Maybe there's something.
Well, so you've got a buildup of good karma.
Too much karma?
Yes, that is undoubtedly what I said just now. Do you mind if I...
Doc, I don't understand.
Huh? Oh, well, you see, when karma has physical properties, and when you get a lot built up in a tiny space, it just... Well...
There's gotta be something I can do. What if I act like a jerk? I can do it.
Yeah, let's not get ahead of ourselves here, alright?
I can.
Alright, tough guy. Pretend I'm someone who's just provoked you. What do you say?
I hope you outlive your children.
Jesus, man. What? Yeah. Bad karma's definitely an option.
So, why don't I just act like a jerk?
You can't just act like a jerk. You gotta really be bad to the core.
So, what? Like, cutting off little old ladies at traffic lights?
Well, it's not gonna be that easy. See, you really gotta embrace your evil. You gotta join forces with the other evils. You gotta crush your enemies and take your victory. Together, we will destroy our foes. We can crush our enemies. We will rule this world as emperors atop a swarm of locusts. We will force the Midgar serpent to release his tail and bring forth the Ragnarok.
Alright, Rob, I see you have some minor chest pains and, can I help you?
Doctor?
Where's my nameplate? What the hell's with all these chips? Was that guy pretending to be a doctor?
Yeah, he told me I was gonna die.
Wow, fake medical diagnosis. You could get bad karma for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but seriously, you have lung cancer.
What?